Good morning, students. Now in chapter 7 integrals, next exercise 7.9. In this exercise, we are going to learn about definite integrals. To open in exercise 7. So in exercise 7.9, topic is definite integrals. So according to definite integrals, if integration fx dx is equal to phi x plus c, then integration a to b fx dx will be equal to phi x plus c a to b. Now upper limit minus lower limit means you have to put b in place of x minus a in place of x, which will be phi x plus b, phi b plus c minus phi a plus c. Open the bracket, then minus c plus c cancel out, 5b minus phi a. So in case of definite integral, no need to write integral constant, because if you subtract lower limit from upper limit, then integration constant will be cancel out. Now open exercise 7.9. In 7.9, question number 1. Integration minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. To integrate x plus 1, which will be x square by 2 plus x, and apply the limit minus 1 to 1, then upper limit minus lower limit. So firstly put 1 in place of x, which will be 1 square by 2 plus 1, minus put lower limit means minus 1 in place of x. Now solve, then will be equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 is the answer. Clear? So in case of definite integral, you have to apply upper limit and then lower limit, then subtract upper limit lower limit from upper limit. Question number 2. 1 by x 2 to 3, integration 2 to 3 1 by x dx. We know that integration of 1 by x is log x. So log x 2 to 3. So apply the limit. Firstly upper limit log 3 minus log 2. We know that log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. So this will be 3 by 2 is the answer. Clear? Now see the next question. Question number 6. Integration 4 to 5 e to the power x dx. So we know that integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. So e to the power x 4 to 5. Now apply the limit, upper limit e to the power 5 minus lower limit e to the power 4 will be the answer. Clear? Next question. Question number 7. Integration 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. We know that integration of tan x is log sec x. So log sec x 0 to pi by 4. Now apply the limit. Firstly upper limit, then lower limit. So log sec pi by 4 minus log sec 0. We know that sec pi by 4 is root 2. So log root 2 minus log 1, because sec 0 is 1. And we know that log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. So this will be log root 2 upon 1 will be equal to log root 2 is the answer. You can write it log 2 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to log 1 by 2 log 2 is the answer. Now see the next question, next exercise 7.10. In 7.10 we use substitution method. So when we use substitution method, then we have to convert the limit also, then we can apply the limit. So see the question number 1, 0 to 1 x upon x square plus 1 dx. So let x square plus 1 is equal to t, then 2x dx is equal to dt. Now change the limit also. When x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 2. T is equal to 1. And when x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 2. Clear? Now, the given question will be equal to, so write here limit of t. So integration 0 to 1, 0, integration 1 to 2, x dx will be half dt, taking out 1 by 2 common. Clear? So which will be equal to 1 by 2 log t. Now apply the limit, log upper limit minus lower limit, and log m minus n is equal to log m upon n. So 1 by 2 log 2, which will be equal to log root 2 or 1 by 2 log 2, you can write it. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Integration 0 to 1 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So here to solve this question, firstly we have to let x is equal to tan theta, because 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So dx will be equal to sec square theta d theta. Now convert the limit also. When x is equal to 0, then theta will be 0, because put x is equal to 0, then tan 0 is equal to 0, then theta will be 0. Clear? Now when x is equal to 1, then 1 is equal to tan theta, it means theta will be pi by 4. So now this will be equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta d theta will be equal to 0 to pi by 4 sin inverse sin 2 theta sec square theta d theta will be equal to 0 to pi by 4 2 theta sec square theta d theta, because sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, we know that, taking out 2 common. Now apply here integration by part. So according to Euler, theta will be first function and sec square theta will be second function. Now first function integration of second minus integration differentiation of first integration of second and apply the limit also, write the limit also 0 to pi by 4. Clear? Now this will be equal to 2 theta sec square theta, its integration will be tan theta. So theta tan theta minus d by d theta will be 1. So tan theta d theta, theta tan theta minus integration of tan theta will be log sec theta 0 to pi by 4. Now apply the limit 2, apply the limit here pi by 4 tan pi by 4 minus log tan pi by 4 minus, now put 0 means apply lower limit, minus 0 tan 0 minus log tan 0, sorry, log sec 0, log sec pi by 4 and log sec 0. So 2 into pi by 4 into 1 into 1 minus log root 2, this will be equal to log 1 will be equal to log root 2 upon 1 will be equal to now pi by 2 minus 2 log root 2, and we know that n log m is equal to log m to the power n. So root 2 की power 2 will be equal to 2. So you can write it pi by 2 minus now next question of exercise 7.10, integration 1 to 2 1 upon x minus 1 upon 2x square e to the power 2x. So let e 2x is equal to t, 2 dx will be equal to dt. Now convert the limit also, when x is equal to 1 then t is equal to 2, then t is equal to 2, and when x is equal to 2 then t is equal to 4. So this will be equal to integration 2 to 4 1 by 2 2 to 4, because x dx will be half dt, 2 to 4 2 by t minus 2 by t square e to the power t dt. Now taking out 2 common, then this will be equal to, firstly taking out 2 common, so 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 4 1 by t minus 1 by t square e to the power t dt equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 2 and 2 cancel out, clear. So 2 to 4 1 by t minus 1 by t square e to the power t dt. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, then integration 2 to 4 1 by t minus 1 by t square e to the power t dt. So here let 1 by t is equal to ft, then minus 1 upon t square, f dash t will be equal to minus 1 upon t square. So the given question will be equal to integration 2 to 4 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt can be written as equal to integration 2 to 4 1 by t, write ft, and minus 1 by t square you can write f dash t. So ft plus f dash t dt, and we know that e to the power t fx plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power x fx. So this will be equal to e to the power t ft. Now apply, put the value of ft. Here ft is 1 by t 2 to the power 4. Now apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, e to the power 4 by 2 by 4 minus e square e to the power 2 minus 2 equal to will be equal to e square by e square into e square minus 2 upon 4 is the answer. Okay students, you have to solve exercise 7.9 and 7.10 with example. Thank you.